this video, let's take a look on how can we change our channel URL in YouTube. As you can see right now, I'm in my channel and the channel name will be youtube.com/channel/ a bunch of code over here, right? This one will be my channel URL at this moment. According to YouTube, you will require to have approximate 100 subscriber and above or 30 days old channel, right? Have upload with a profile picture and profile banner in order to allow to change the custom URL. So right now, my current URL is something look like this. I want to change to something look like this with my own username over here. As you can see right now, my subscriber is 99 and I still require one more subscriber in order to hit the 100. And my channel has been setting up for quite a long time. It will be more than 1 month and I have my profile photo. So right now, let's take a look on where we can change the custom URL. Okay, first, you can click the customize channel over here, or you can hover over your account and go into this YouTube Studio. Once you reach the YouTube Studio, you can scroll until the customization and you can look for basic info. Scroll down a little bit. At this section, you can see channel URL, and at this moment, I still unable to do any changes. If you click the learn more button, it will bring you to this page whereby it gives you all the information I show you just now. So now what I need to do is find one more subscriber, and when I reach 100, I will come back and guide you guys how can I change the name from here. So now I managed to have over 100 subscriber, and I also make sure that I have upload a copy of my cover photo, my image. Let's go to customize channel and take a look. Once you reach this customized channel, you can go to basic info. You can always go to this part customization at your YouTube Studio section. Go to customization, look for basic info. Scroll until your channel URL section and you will see now there is a link for me to choose set a custom URL for your channel. If you remember previously we don't have this section because I still not yet have the 100 subscriber, and I also realized that I did not upload a cover photo as well, right? So right now I can set on this and you may have this way, right? Or you can put in something that you want. For example, Calvyn Lee digital marketing trainer, or any username that you want. But usually I will recommend the shortest the possible. So this look good for me. I will choose this one. So once done, I just require to hit the publish button. And right now confirm the custom URL. Yes, this is the one that I want. Just hit the confirm button. So let's copy this and paste it over here and enter. Now you will be able to reach my YouTube channel using this custom URL. That's how easy we set it up, the custom URL. Hope you also able to set up yours. After you set up yours, just copy your URL and put into the comment section so that I also can follow your channel. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumb up button, subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. I hope to bring more such video for you in the future. See you in the next video.